Footballer, based on his data, he scores 70% of the time. He takes 2 penalties, and the result of the first shot has no result on the second attempt. Complete the following two-way table where H represents a hit and M represents a miss. I think this is hit, 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 miss, miss, hit, miss, miss. Shh. What's the probability that he scores both penalties? Well, it's 0.7 represents 70% for the first penalty, and 70%, if it's the word and, you multiply. And then 0.7 multiplied by another 0.7, 0.49. Alright. Now, what's the probability he scores exactly one of the penalties? Well, that's either miss, hit, or... Would you agree it's either miss, hit, or hit, miss? If you see the word or, what does that mean? Multiply or add? Plus. Or is plus and is multiply. Miss is 0.3. Hit is 0.7. Hit is 0.7. Miss is 0.3. Shh. Yeah, you multiply them out and you add them both together, and I believe you get 0.42. Alright, guys? Alright. What's the probability that the player misses at least one of the 2 penalties? Well, what does that mean? That's miss hit, or hit miss, or what's the other option? Miss miss. Okay. So what now, guys? What's miss again? Well, we have the answer of this one already, don't we? The answer is 0.42. And miss is 0.3 multiplied by another 0.09, which is 0.51. Okay. Shh. The coach says the player can move to the next drill if they score at least 1 goal in 2 attempts. What's the probability that the player has to repeat the drill? Shh. Well, I think the only way you fail the drill is if you miss. Would you agree with that? And miss is what, guys? 0.09. Ready? Okay. How do you factorize this? Is there any number in common? What number can divide into 98 and 2? 2. What's left over? 49 minus x squared. Okay. Who in the class, hands up, knows how to finish this off? Yes, sir. Plus or minus, yeah. No, it has to be the square root of 49. 7 plus x and 7 minus x. Okay, guys. Next one. Sorry, guys, I'm having an off day with the names. Now, shh. What can you take out of the first 2? What letters do they have in common? One of them's MMN and the other one is MNN. What 2 letters can you take out both of them? You can take out M and N. So take out M and N. I take out M and N. So what's left over then? Shh. What's left over? M minus N. Shh. What can you take out these 2? Just take out the number 1. And what's left over? M minus N. And then what's your final answer here, guys? Cheat code. The brackets are the same. Then M minus N. Okay. Who got full mark? Now, all's what you gotta do. All's what you gotta do is do what, guys? All you gotta do is put -2 in there. Then all you gotta do is use your calculator. Put it in exactly as it looks. And what you should get is -2. Okay? Okay, guys. Now, guys, ready? Shh. Okay, guys, you ready? So what you get for the A value? A value? B value? -7. Minus B value? C value? Shh. Where do you find the minus B equation in your tables? Shh. Anybody know where you find the minus B equation on your tables? It's on the cover. Okay? It's literally on the cover. And then you fill in the numbers. So what you get for B squared? -4 times 6 times -5. Minus B? 7. 2 times 6. Who got it right? You can give me the answer. Okay, you can -0.5. Anybody else get an answer? What's the other answer then? Just 2 answers. What? 1.6. Okay, gents. It's question 8 done. Question 9. Now, I hope we lock this one out. So, you're talking about commute times, north side and south sides, secondary skill, and we're going to use the mid-interval values for north side college. Now, what does mid-interval mean? Who's the middle of 0 and 10? 11 and 20. Oh, that is awkward. That is very awkward. You have to add 11 and 20 together. Divide by 2. Very poorly designed, I have to say. 15.5. Next one. I think it's 25.5. The next one. Next one after that. Okay, guys. All right. Now, guys, what we're going to do next is the following. Shh. What's the next step you need to do? How many Northside colleges is there? You need to multiply 5 by 5. What's the next step? 12 by 15.5. What's the step after that? Next one after that? 9 by 35.5. And the one after that? Alright. Can somebody calculate that for me, please? No, I didn't ask for that. I asked for the calculation on the board. Thank you, sir. 262.5. Is that it in total? That's not everything, surely. 1,262.5. Now, guys, the next thing. How many people was that for? 5, 12, that's 17 people. 17 plus 18, that's 35 people. Plus 9, it's 44 people. Plus 6, 50 people. You divide the total by 50, and what you get? What? 25.5. Okay. Who's the modal? Modal means most common. So who had the most common root for north side skill? Shh. I think it was 21 to 30 for north side. And what about south side? 41 to 50. Yeah. I'd hope you'd all got that right, guys. 21 to 30 and 41 to 50. The most common commute time. Shh. Which school had the longer commute? Well, I'm pretty sure Southside did, because it has a larger main. It has a larger main and a larger mode. Agreed? North side, sorry, south side.